Hello friends, welcome you all to Unstoppable Digital Traveling Oxygen for Life. Friends, as promised, today's episode we have got you Vizag City Tour, and this is our fourth video on Vizag City, friends. In our earlier videos, we have captured the beautiful aerial journey between Bangalore to Vizag air route that you can also check out in our channel, and we have also shown you the famous beaches in the Vizag city. In today's episode, stay tuned till the end to see the beautiful view of the Vizag city, which is surrounded by both mountains and beaches, friends. Friends, Vizag Airport is a customs airport which is located in Visakhapatnam, India, friends. It's the largest and the busiest airport in Andhra Pradesh state, and this particular airport has experienced significant growth in the last decade with its construction to a new terminal, runway, and commencing of all international flights like to Dubai, to Singapore, to Kuala Lumpur. And this is a non-towered airport, however it is integrated with the latest air traffic control system, friends. Friends, Visakhapatnam's history stretches back to 6th century BCE, and it is historically considered part of Kalinga region, friends. This particular city has been ruled by several empires and the several kingdoms time to time, which also includes Mughal Empire, Nizam and France, before finally being captured by the British in 1765. So European powers eventually established trading operations in the city, and Vizag came under French colonial rule at the end of 18th century, friends. British East India Company captured Visakhapatnam after 1804 battle, and it remained under British colonial rule until India's Independence Day in 1947.
Center of it. Wow. Amazing.
Friends, I find it geographically quite interesting because the city is surrounded by both mountains and even ocean also, friends. So that makes itself is a significant one in Indian territory, friends. If you are in Vizag, friends, there are a couple of famous tourist places that you can explore as well. Araku Valley is one of the best tour spot from Vizag, which is 112 kilometers away from the city, and it takes around 5 to 6 hours of journey from Vizag. Padmavati Botanical Garden, Bora Caves are the well-known places to explore if you are in Araku Valley, friends. In the main city of Vizag, there is Kailashgiri Hill, which gives you a spectacular view of the sea, friends, from the top. It's a must-visit place if you are in Vizag, and highly recommended. Ramakrishna Beach, Rishikonda Beach of Vizag are the beautiful one which you should see if you are in the city, friends. Visitors, they often fall in love with the city, especially after visiting this Kailashgiri Hill and looking at the view from there, friends. There is Ross Hill, which is an area where different religious places situated on 3 hilltops. So the name of the hill is Ross Hill, which is named after a certain Monsieur Ross who built a house on it in 1864. So there's a historical connection to it, which is now converted into a Mother's Mary Church, friends. There is Simadri Hill, there's temple in the hill, and also you have Simadri Supernatural Power Plant, which we have already posted in our earlier videos that you can check out, friends. There is Indira Gandhi's Zoological Garden on the park, which is also one of the attraction in the Vizag city. And of course, how can you forget the famous beaches including Ramakrishna Beach, Rishikonda Beach and Yarada Beach, friends, which is a must visit once you are in Vizag city, friends. Beach is undoubtedly one of the most popular beaches in Vizag city, friends, where travelers can enjoy a great holiday here. They have facilities of several water sports activities, boating, fishing, etc. Rishikonda is around 10 to 11 kilometers away from Visakhapatnam, and it's also a popular tourist destination. It's a place where you can find huge sculpture of Hindu god Shiva and Parvati, friends. There's Gangavaram Beach, which is situated also 11 kilometers away from Vizag. Most interesting thing of this beach is there's a rock like structure which looks like a small island, friends. Interesting, isn't it? There is Yarada Beach also. It's a private beach owned by Agrigold Group, located close to Dolphin Nose, and here visitors have to pay a minimum entry fee charge to travel this beautiful beach, friends. There's regular services available from the Vizag city, bus services to take you out there, friends. There's a small village which is called as Vimili. It's a beautiful village located around 25 kilometers from the Vizag city, friends, where you can discover several Dutch cemeteries and a Portuguese church of medieval period of India. So there are a lot of interesting tourist places that one can explore once you are in Vizag city, friends. you are spoiled for choices, friends. If you like mountain and if you also like beaches, then this is definitely one of the city in India that you need to go, friends, where you can get essence of both mountains and beaches, friends. Friends, you know, whenever I visit a place, I do not only like to visit it in the daytime but also like to explore the nighttime view of the city and the vibe of it. Unless we explore that, it is not the complete extractions of the place what you visit, friends. What do you think? Let me know. How many of you like to visit a place in the daytime and how many of you like to visit and explore it in the nighttime, friends? Let me know. Put your comments, and I would like to know how many of you explore places in the different time.
You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth.